Yeah, so you basically did it very similar, but
yeah, I tried to. I mean, as best as I could. It's mostly the same pictures.
Right.
Where are you going?
The same format.
That is so nice.
It's beautiful.
It's smaller than I expected to be. So.
I like the small size.
I love it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay.
They're over here.
You can kind of compare me to Kelly totally. No, it's not a picture. Yeah, they're right here. Kissy, kissy, kissy.
What is it?
Beautiful, very, very nice. Thank you.
Who is that?
Very glad to have this.
There's one more for you guys.
What'd you get?
But,
What is it?
the picture from that's you.
Oh, that's
In your dress.
nice.
Isn't that funny, honey?
Aww.
That's so cute.
Who's this, you guys?
Olivia, what do you say?
That's my friend Jess.
Olivia, what do you say to
From the
Uncle
bank?
Josh and Aunt Erin?
Yeah.
This.
Aww.
Huh?
Allison, can you put